when it comes to selling things or whatever, always remember something, and I've been in carving a long time. It isn't so much, you know, it doesn't always have to be a certain bird. You can carve them different colors. It doesn't have to be a specific bird. People just like them no matter what. So learn that as you go along. In other words, in the sense of carving, and learn that people like whether they're identical or just the most realistic things in the world or whatever. So anyway, God bless you now, and have a good day. And like I said, keep watching these wonderful projects. I tell you, between Doug and Dado, they are just creating some of the most wonderful characters, and I love to see it because for so many years I lost many ideas, and I didn't even think of these kind of ideas these guys are doing. And with so many, what's so wonderful is with so many more people doing these carving videos, we're getting so many more ideas than just the ideas that I had when I was young and stuff. And I think these people today, like Doug and others, are much more creative than I am. Much more creative in the projects that they do and how they do them. So in the name of the Lord, just God bless, and be careful. Thank you now.